How y'all doing? This is the Energy Man, Shane with Credence Energy right here in Chambers County. And today we just got done doing a 46 panel solar system on the shop here. Let me show y'all what we got going on. We got every single mount right here is in a stud, in a beam in this metal roof. So these babies ain't going nowhere. And as you can see, there ain't no way the wind gonna pick that up. I don't think so. It's sitting right on the frame. So check it out. That's 46 panels. We got 23 on this side, and we got 23 on this side, and that's going to power the Cantu family, their shop, right here at RJW Airport, and that's going to power their shop, their house. We're doing 3 battery packs, so this house is going to be running totally off the grid. Totally independent. So if y'all want to be independent, get your energy off grid, not pay anything for power, be independent. You don't have to worry about power blackouts, don't have to worry about energy grid hacks, none of that. Hit me up, I'll do you right, I got your back, I got y'all.